Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh Courses YouTube channel and to the series of current updates. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic olive ridley turtle. So why it is in the news and why we are going to read this topic. Let's discuss more about this. Before that, you need to subscribe to our channel, like the video, click the notification bell icon so that you will receive regular notifications from us, and also give your feedback in the comment box. With this note, let's start the video. So we are going to discuss about olive ridley turtle. Why we are going to discuss about this? So it's a pleasant surprise for the marine conservationists, as and the state forest departments also. This is the surprise news that at Tarkarli Beach, famous for which is famous for water adventure sports, it has recorded an olive ridley turtle nest for the first time. So it is not a surprise thing that the olive ridley turtle have nests, but in this particular place at Tarkarli Beach, it is for the first time it was noticed. So and another one nest near Devbag Beach also appeared. This is 2 kilometer distance from this particular Tarkarli Beach. So one more nest in this Devbag Beach was found after almost 6 years. Okay, that is the reason this news is important. So you can find this news in the different websites also. Maharashtra in a first olive ridley turtle nest recorded at Tarkarali Beach. So this is particular. So I will be highlighting the place of Tarkarali Beach. This is the Maharashtra map and this is the area. Okay. So let's see the nesting of the turtle. So olive ridley is considered as the most abundant sea turtle in the world, with sporadic nesting in Maharashtra, Goa, and offshore Andaman Islands. So, in Maharashtra, what will happen is nesting is recorded across mostly across the three districts. So, which are these three districts? One district is Raigad, one is Ratnagiri, and other one is Sindhudurg. Okay, in these three places, the recording of the nest will be appeared. So they are known for their unique mass nesting called aribada. So you can remember this particular word. Sometimes in exams, in UPSC type of exams, they'll give you the word and they'll ask this particular word is related to what, and they'll give some options. For example, aribada is related to which word in the current news. So they'll be asking this kind of question and they'll give something related to diseases, or something related to olive ridley turtle, or something virus, or something like this. They'll give options. So at that time you need to identify. Okay, aribada is a unique mass nesting. Okay, where thousands of female olive ridley turtles come together on the same beach to lay the eggs. So these are the carnivores and feed. They will feed mainly on the jellyfish and shrimp, etc. So the eggs hatch after laying. It will take 45 to 60 days for hatching. So this hatching will be depending on the temperature of the sand and also the atmosphere during an incubation period. So, if you see, the highest number of nests and hatchlings are recorded in three beaches in Ratnagiri and Guhagar, Velas, and Anjarle. Okay, these beaches are also hold an annual turtle festivals will be occurring over in these beaches in the month of March. So, this is a potential hatchling period for the olive ridley turtles, when the juvenile turtles break the eggshell and they will crawl on the sea at this particular period, that is in the March. So the experts attribute the first time sighting of nested beach to reduced tourist interference in the area. So at that particular time the tourist interference will be lowered. So over the years many awareness sessions are held among the local people about the nesting period and how to handle the nests and eggs, beside involving community members as a volunteers also. So one of the positive impacts of the efforts is that people now inform as they spot nests and even turtle tracks. So they'll inform whenever they see this particular nest. So as a part of this conservation programs, beach managers are appointed. They are hired from the period from November to May by the forest department. They will survey nesting sites. They will relocate the eggs if required, and to the hatchery they'll relocate and ensure that the hatchlings reach the sea safely without any breakage. Okay. So if you see other conservation efforts, the hatchling success rate has increased because of this conservation efforts in the year 2020 to 2021. Okay, the hatchling success rate was 46.66%, a slight increase from the previous year. In the previous year, it was 44.4%. So in 2018 to 19, the hatchling success rate was higher, that is 54.47%. This is nothing but hatchling success is nothing but it's a ratio of number of eggs laid to the number of turtles surviving the nesting period. So after the hatchling, what will happen is sometimes it will break and it will not survive, turtle won't survive, but whatever the turtle survives, it is nothing but it's the hatching rate or the success rate. Okay, S&M along with the forest department have developed an application called M-Turtle. Okay, there is an application called M-Turtle. So in this application, the turtle nest managers will be appointed by the forest department and various nesting zones, and can directly update the data such as like how many eggs have been laid and see about the sea turtle and hatchlings, everything about them whenever they found will be updated in this particular application. So the data is stored in cloud space, which will be accessible to the forest department. With the launch of the mobile application to collect the real time nesting data, the hatchling success rate will further improve. Okay. So if you see the scientific name of it, the scientific name of this is uh, Lidochellus olivacea. Okay, this is also known as Pacific ridley sea turtle. Okay, this olive ridley turtle is also known as Pacific ridley sea turtle. So if you see the conservation status, IUCN Red List, it is vulnerable according to IUCN Red List. And Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act, it is mentioned. So it is also mentioned in CITES Appendix 1. Okay. If you see the threats of the olive ridley turtle, it's because of the marine pollution and the waste, and because of the human consumption. They are extensively poached for their meat, for their leather, for their shell, and also for their eggs. So, and because of the plastic garbage, there is a threat for this olive ridley turtles. So, because of the increase in the debris of the plastics, fishing nets, discarded nets, polythene, and other garbage, which are dumped by the tourists whenever they like reach the spot, and when the tourists come there, and the fishing workers also, because of the fishing workers also, plastic garbage will get increased, and this will act as a threat for the olive ridley turtles. And the other one is the fishing trawlers. So because of the over exploitation of the marine resources, by utilizing the trawlers, this will violate the rule to not fish 20 kilometers within a marine sanctuary. So because of the uh, violation of the rules, also this will affect the number of the olive ridley turtles. There were injury marks on many dead turtles, indicating they have been trapped under trawls or gill nets. So the Kurma app has been built in digital field guide covering. It will cover 29 species of freshwater turtles and tortoise of India, and the information on turtle identification, distribution, and vernacular names and threats also. So the Kurma app was launched for this particular animals. So it is developed by Indian Turtle Conservation Action Network. This Kurma app is developed by ITCAN with the collaboration of Turtle Survival Alliance of India and the Wildlife Conservation Society India. So this app will provide users a database to identify the species. Okay, this is about the Kurma app, and the World Turtle Day will be celebrated on 23rd May. So this is important point to be noted. So if you want to see the difference between the turtle and tortoise, click the screenshot and just look to these points and mention one point in the comment box. Okay. With this, we have come to the end of the session. So thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Jai Hind.